Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna see how to install SQL Server 2022. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please gonna subscribe right now. So guys, this is the official Microsoft page where you have the link to download this evaluation of SQL Server 2022. Okay, you can do it on Azure also, but I want to do it in my desktop. That's why I have gone and clicked on this link. Then it downloads an exe file which you run. Gives you three options. You can either go for basic, you can go for custom, and you can also download media, and then later you can install it on machine of your type. So because like because you may have a server farm kind of structure where you want to install it on multiple, and you may not have like some organizations do not allow internet on and there are like a lot of restrictions. That's why I'm going for this download media so that it can be downloaded, and then you can download it in ISO format, CAF format, and location and also language you can select. So I'm going for this method, but you can directly install as well. So I have selected everything that I want to, and I click on download. So it is downloading. It's gonna take some time because you see how long it is. So I will again initiate once we reach there. So the download has been successful, as you can see. Now this, as you have seen, I um, downloaded it as an ISO file disk image. So I mounted it, and it reached it created a disk drive here. That's fine. Now I can run the setup. Okay, the setup has started. I don't want this. So now comes the installation wizard. Okay, and I can click on installation. So you can select which one you want to install. Reporting service, management tools. So I'm like, as of now I don't have any SQL Server installed. Otherwise you can go for this upgrade also. So I'm going for this. And I'm getting this wizard. It is quite possible that I do get some errors because a lot of server features like domain and all I have not installed. So if I get an error, I'll go ahead and try to fix it, but nothing to worry about. Now comes what would you like to install. So I'm installing a free edition evaluation. That's why you can install developer, express, whichever you want. So I'm going for express. Okay, or let's go for evaluation. Okay, or if you want to go for pay through billing through Azure, you can use this one, or if you have product key, that you can do. So I'm going for evaluation. Now the next step is to accept software license terms. You can go through it, and once you are okay, you can accept and click on next. Which is running rule check. Now here I do anticipate some failures because, as I said, lot of server features I do not have available. But even if it happens, I'm gonna, oh wow, So now it is installing set of files. So I'll wait for it to give me the details. So this is the outcome that I have got. 1 warning and 4 success. That's fine. I can go to next. Azure extension for SQL Server provided Azure. I don't want this. So I don't need this all because I don't have Azure subscription for my personal use. Now you have to select the features that you want. I have option to select all. Okay, but you can do which one you want, which one you don't want. Now I'm going for next, where it is gonna check it. Now it has gone for instance configuration. You can either go for default instance or named instance. I'm going for default, but up to you. And I click on next. It does need a lot of patience, no doubt about it, guys. Next comes poly-based configuration. I leave it like this and I click on next. Now comes server configuration. And you can check this one, what it says: grant perform volume maintenance task privilege to SQL Server database engine service. This privilege enables instant file initialization by avoiding zeroing of data pages. It's made it information disclosure. So it's up to you if you want to go for this. I am not going. And go for next. You can check the collection tab as well. Now server configuration. Windows authentication mode, that's fine. I have data directories. Oh, something went wrong here. Server administrator. Okay, I click add current user. Because of my slow system, sometimes you see this not responding, but it depends upon the configuration as well. Okay, it's added, perfect. So that error is gone. Data directories, tempdb. I don't find any reason to make a change, but it depends upon your configuration and your environment. I click on next. As a service configuration, I just add current user. And I click on next. Integration server certificate. If you have an existing certificate, you can point it to integration services, feature configuration rules. Okay. Next is install. Wow, finally. So this step is gonna take some time. So I will meet you once this is completed, and if anything that comes in between that I would think that I need to show, I'll come up right back. So that's it, guy. The installation is completed, and that's how you can install it. Now I can use it. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.